Let's make fresh fruit dippers. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need a 6-ounce container of non-fat or low-fat vanilla or strawberry yogurt, 2 to 3 strawberries, 1/4 to 1/2 of a banana. You will also need a plate, a knife, and a fork. First, always wash your hands and surfaces before working with food. Make sure to wash the fruit. Then peel the banana. And cut the fruit into chunks or pieces. You can halve the strawberries and slice the bananas. Use a fork to dip the fruit into the yogurt and enjoy. Refrigerate leftovers immediately.